Hey brother, welcome back. I am doing a video series. If you've been watching and following along, you know that I am traveling around the country in my RV to meet up with men in the men's community. And I have brought with me a collection of books that have been transformational for me in my own life. And I have these books in print because I want to be able to reference them regardless of internet connection or account status at any time. And these aren't all the books that I have read, but they are the ones that I feel like have been most transformational. And so I wanted to have a copy of them. And in fact, I have purchased these books 2 or 3 times because I've purchased them on Kindle or on Audible, and now I have a print edition of them. So they're that important to me that I would buy them 2 or 3 times. This book in particular that I'm about to share with you is one that I listened on Audible. I listened to it on the plane going to, where was I going? I think I was going to Mexico at the time. I was either going to Mexico or I was going to London. Could have been Washington, D.C. I don't know. In 2019, I went to California. I went to Mexico. I went to Pennsylvania a couple of times. I went to Washington, D.C. I went to London. I went to Vermont. I went to some other place that I can't even remember at the moment, but you know, each time I took with me books on Kindle and Audible, and they helped to transform my life. So this book in particular is What I Know for Sure by Oprah Winfrey. Oprah's done a lot of things. She's lived a very interesting life. She's had a lot of ups and downs, and she is a very insightful person. Love her, hate her, I don't care what your politics are about her, but she certainly has accomplished a lot in her own life. And for me, this book was something kind of not a memoir, but more of a, you know, her sharing some of the insights and things that she's learned along the way. And I felt like it was worth listening to, and I feel like it's worth recommending to you as well. I won't go into details about all the little different pieces and parts, but you know, these are the things that, again, that she's kind of sharing with you from her life, and I found every bit of the book from the beginning to end insightful and worth the time. So I'll leave it there. The other thing that I've found worth the time is keeping a journal. Go get yourself a paper journal. Keep yourself a journal. Write in it every day. Write in it as much as possible. Don't beat yourself up about not writing in it, you know, every single day. Keep it by your bedside. Write it in the morning. Write it in at night. Throw it in your backpack. Carry it with you. When you have a thought, open it up and write it. And just let it be stream of consciousness. Don't worry about punctuation. Don't worry about punctuation or grammar or being perfect. Just write what you feel and what you think. Don't worry about if anybody's going to read it or not. This is for you. It is your opportunity to really get some insights into yourself, what you think, what you believe, what your patterns are. And that clarity will lead to transformations in your life. If you would like to speak with someone about transforming your life, about the things that you feel like you lack, about the things that you feel like you want more of, contact me at happymancoaching.com. and let's set up a call and talk about that. I'd love to compare notes with you and share with you my own personal experience and kind of what I know for sure, because I have lived it, and I can help you, guide you on some of the things that you're experiencing and that you want to change. All right. I love you, brother. I'll talk to you later. Thanks for watching. Bye.